Hi there, I'm Cindy. This is Joy and Bella Chica.
Bella Chica teaches with me all the time. She is an expert in aromatherapy. Her specialty is chemistry.
We're here at Stillpoint Studies, and today we're going to be talking about using essential oils to work with any kind of physical pain.
What's so special about Latin names and chemotypes?
Healing emotional trauma using essential oils.
Vibrational aromatic medicine is a new way of looking at essential oil and aromatherapy.
Essential oil myths and some misinformation that's out there.
The industry is moving towards using essential oils as medicine.
Any questions or thoughts or ideas, just drop us a line.
And we love you guys. So come join us and come join Bella Chica.